Have you ever wondered how to achieve the perfect posture for meditation? Welcome to our journey of mastering the art of perfect posture in meditation. The posture we adopt during meditation plays a pivotal role in our practice. It can lead to a deeper, more focused, and transformative meditation experience. In this enlightening guide, we will walk you through a step-by-step process of attaining the ideal meditation posture. We will explore a variety of postures, including the classic cross-legged position, kneeling posture, and sitting on a cushion or a chair. Each posture has its unique benefits and suits different body types and flexibility levels. Our experienced meditation teacher will provide detailed instructions on how to maintain proper spinal alignment, relax your muscles, and find the posture that is most comfortable for you. Remember, a correct posture not only enhances your physical well-being, but also fosters mental clarity and spiritual growth. So, are you ready to elevate your meditation practice? Let's delve into the secrets of mastering the art of perfect posture in meditation. Before we begin, it's important to find a quiet and comfortable space for meditation. This can be a dedicated corner in your home or even a peaceful spot outdoors. The key is to choose a place where you feel at ease and free from distractions. Now, let's talk about your seating arrangement. You can sit on a cushion, a meditation bench, or a chair. The main goal is to keep your back straight yet relaxed. This helps to maintain the natural curve of your spine and promotes better focus and deeper breathing. Gently close your eyes and turn your attention inward. Start by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly and deeply, hold for a moment, and then exhale fully. As you breathe out, imagine releasing any tension or stress from your body. Remember, the breath is a powerful tool that can help you connect with the present moment and prepare your mind for meditation. Now that you're relaxed and ready, let's explore the perfect meditation posture. The key to perfect posture begins with aligning the upper body. Imagine a golden thread extending from the top of your head, reaching towards the sky. As you visualize this, feel your spine gently lengthening. This creates an inner alignment that forms the foundation of your meditation posture. Now let's focus on relaxing the shoulders. Allow them to drop naturally, releasing any tension. This will open your chest, promoting better breathing and energy flow. Keep your chin slightly tucked in to elongate the back of your neck. This alignment will help maintain a straight yet relaxed posture. Finally, let's position the hands. Place them gently on your lap, palms facing up or down, depending on what feels more comfortable for you. The hands play a subtle but significant role in maintaining balance and focus during meditation. Embrace this sense of inner balance and alignment. It's your body, your meditation. With your upper body aligned, let's move on to grounding the lower body. Grounding the lower body is an essential step to achieving the perfect meditation posture. Let's begin with your sit bones. Feel them pressing gently into your cushion or chair. This connection is your anchor, your grounding link to the earth beneath you. Now, let's consider your legs. If you're sitting cross-legged, ensure both knees touch the ground, creating a triangle of support. If you're on a chair, plant your feet flat on the floor, hip-width apart. This grounded stance forms a strong foundation for your upper body. Feel the support underneath you. Imagine roots growing from your sit bones or feet, reaching deep into the earth. This visualization can enhance your sense of stability and connection. The last step is releasing tension. Allow your legs to relax, to become heavy. Any strain or discomfort can distract you, whereas relaxed muscles encourage a sense of calm and focus. Now that your body is perfectly aligned, let's focus on maintaining this posture throughout your meditation practice. Maintaining the perfect posture is crucial to a successful meditation practice. As you settle into your chosen posture, let your focus shift inward, release all external distractions, and connect with the present moment. The beauty of meditation lies in its simplicity. It's just you, your breath, and your body. Feel the stillness within you, the peaceful rhythm of your breath, and the steady support of the earth beneath you. This is the essence of meditation, a deep connection with your inner self, a profound sense of peace, and a heightened awareness of the present moment. The perfect posture is not a one-time achievement, but a continuous process of refinement and perfection. It's like tuning a musical instrument. A little adjustment here, a little there, and suddenly you've hit the perfect note. so make it a daily practice. Each day, take a few moments to check in with your body, adjust your posture, and connect with your breath. Remember, the right posture in meditation allows for a deeper and more focused practice. So, take a few moments each day to refine and perfect your posture. Subscribe.